Good morning, students. I want to welcome you to Module 2, Annotated Bibliography. So by now, you should have done your Module 1 proposal memo, and I really do apologize for that confusion over the due date for the peer review for Module 1, the proposal memo, and I am working on that. I have a new tool that I'm going to launch when we get to the rhetorical analysis essay. So for Module 2, we're just not going to do peer review. And if you have any questions, I'm going to send you to the Writers Center or come see me personally. So we'll just, I'm going to figure that out for y'all. But it won't penalize any of you, as I said in my announcement. And I just want to remind you all, though, about this calendar that I know most of you use, and I'm going to click on this calendar. Just be aware that you really want to go and look at your Blackboard each week for the due dates, because that's a more complete picture of what we're doing. So that's just sort of in the future not to rely so heavily on that calendar. All right, on to Module 2. So by now you've done your proposal memo, and I've looked at the majority. I've looked at your purpose statements. Everybody's got a great purpose statement, and I think you all have a good feel for what we're doing. So Module 2 is the next step in this research project. So you already have, each of you, at least two sources, two scholarly sources. And remember, in order to get your sources, you've got to get them through the library's website here at Coastal. You cannot Google sources. The only thing that I will allow, maybe one is a .gov type of a source. So if you're doing a health related topic, and maybe you do like a CDC.gov source. Otherwise, everything needs to come through the Coastal's library, like you did in your scavenger hunt. All right. Module 2, Annotated Bibliography. This is a very quick assignment, just like before. It'll be due March 7th. Tuesday, March 7th. This is worth a little bit more. It's worth 15% of your grade. An annotated bibliography, just in a very quick overview, is it's the list of the sources you're going to use with two paragraphs. So you'll have it's three parts to it. You've got a citation, and in this case, we're using APA 7th edition. Then there's a summary paragraph. And then there is an assessment paragraph wherein you will look at your source to see how you're going to use it, how valuable it is, whether it's a credible source. And we will start this week in week 4 with summary. All right, so you're going to want to click into this assignment sheet and review that assignment sheet closely. Be sure you review it. Right here in this folder, we have all of the sample. There's 2 sample annotated bibliographies, and so you can click into this, and there are two samples, so you can see exactly what it is we're looking for. And then here is week 4. So week 4 is a truncated week. It's a short week, starting today on February 22nd and running through Sunday the 26th. This week you've got just a couple of very quick assignments. Remember, this is week 4, and your virtual attendance assignment is due tomorrow, Thursday, February 23rd, by the end of the day. It's a journal assignment. You are going to be completing 2 summaries on the 2 sources that you found and listed on your proposal memo. So you already have these sources. You will follow the instructions at week 4 on how to write an academic summary, and then you will complete summaries on those 2 sources and submit those as your virtual attendance assignment. So it works in a couple of ways. First of all, you get your counted present for that day, and you get 2 summaries done. And You have to do these for your annotated bibliography. So if we click here into, let me just make sure we're good, due dates. All right. So if we click here into week 4, what I have for you is I've got a very short video. As you can see, it's a 4-minute video on how to read a peer-reviewed article. You are all doing peer-reviewed articles. They're dense articles, a little hard to read sometimes. So you want to watch this video, and then it's a second YouTube linked video on writing academic summaries. So this is a brief overview on how to write a summary for your article. I include a PowerPoint on writing summaries. It's a step-by-step guideline, and if you follow this PowerPoint with your articles, you will be successful in writing your summaries. Then finally, there's a handout which it's the same information that's in this PowerPoint. But this, if you want to print this out and have this next to you as you read your articles to write your summaries, I suggest you do that. Again, your summaries, 5 to 7 sentence long paragraph. You're going to basically tell me what you read in that article. Then, again, week 4 assignments. You have 2 of them. One of them is your virtual attendance assignment. You're going to submit your summaries for the 2 articles that were referenced in your proposal. And then by Sunday, you're going to have had to found all 5 of your articles. So you need to go find 3 more articles. If you haven't already done that, by the end of the week, you'll need to have that done. So find your other 3 articles, and I want all 5 articles with their citations and their summaries submitted by Sunday. All right? So again, week 4 is all about writing summaries and finding those additional 3 articles. Let me go back one more time. If we go back to the assignment sheet, the assignment sheet tells you that you need to have at least 5 articles for your annotated bibliography. 5 articles. So you already have 2. That means you need to find 3 more articles. All right. All right, so again, just to sum up this video, you're going to read your assignment sheet on your annotated bibliography. You're going to find 3 additional scholarly journal articles on your topic to add to the 2 you've already found and submitted with your proposal. Excuse me. You're going to look through those sample annotated bibliographies. Then you're going to come here to week 4 and you're going to work on doing summaries for your 5 articles. On Thursday, you're going to submit summaries on the first 2 articles as your virtual attendance assignment. And then Sunday, you're going to submit the remainder of your summaries on Sunday for the additional 3 articles, 5 in total. And that'll take care of week 4. All right. Have a happy day.